Welcome to Auto, plus my channel where we explore the most mind-blowing machines on wheels. And today, buckle up because we are stepping inside a masterpiece of innovation and luxury. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. Now I know what you're thinking. A motorhome is just a van with a bed, right? Wrong. Mercedes has completely redefined van life in 2026. And this is not just a motorhome. It's a rolling palace on wheels. From the very first glance, the sleek exterior design turns heads everywhere it goes. The aerodynamic curves, the futuristic LED lighting, and the signature Mercedes grille give it a look that screams both power and elegance. But trust me, the outside is only the beginning. Step inside and you're immediately transported into another world. The interior feels more like a luxury penthouse suite than a motorhome. We're talking about premium leather seating, hand-finished wooden accents,
ambient lighting that shifts to your mood,
and panoramic windows that bring the outside world right to your living room. And yes, this motorhome doesn't just give you space, and it gives you smart space. A fully equipped kitchen with a hidden induction stove, a silent refrigerator, a smart sink that adjusts water temperature automatically, and even a built-in wine cooler for those evening vibes. The living area? Pure genius. A convertible lounge setup with a 4K smart TV, surround sound system, and modular furniture that transforms from a sofa into a dining set in seconds. The bedroom is where Mercedes truly flexes. A queen-size bed with memory foam technology, climate control right at your fingertips, and even skylights above you so you can fall asleep under the stars. And don't even get me started on the bathroom. A rainfall shower, LED-lit mirrors, and eco-smart water recycling. Technology that ensures you can stay off-grid longer without sacrificing comfort. This is more than a motorhome. This is freedom, luxury, and technology combined into one rolling masterpiece. Mercedes has built something that makes you ask yourself, why live in a house when your house can move with you? So what do you think? Could you see yourself traveling the world in the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love exploring the most insane vehicles on the planet, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Auto Plus, and I'll see you in the next review.